Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here.
Welcome.
Today we are opening up my BoxyCharm premium box for April, right?
Yep.
April 2022. And hello, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron. He helps open subscription boxes for me.
Help.
And on my channel, I love opening subscription boxes and I love doing makeup material, whether it be colorful or neutral makeup. And I also have agoraphobia, so I do discuss agoraphobic topics and mental health issues. So if you're into any of that, or say you're into all of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So if you are into seeing what is in this month's BoxyCharm, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has clicked on this video to spend some time with us. Thank you so much. You are greatly appreciated. Now, this...
And thank you. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you too.
Yeah.
This is the premium box. It is
$150.
It comes with a value of about $175. It is, I think it's about $40 a month. I don't know. I will leave a link to BoxyCharm down below if you are interested in signing up. And yeah, you get to choose, there are 6 items in your box, and you get to choose 2 of the items. Let's see what we got. They usually have a card in here with a theme. This theme is hashtag Boxy Spring Revival, and it has your items listed on the back. Okay. First thing we got is in a box. Says Cupid Cheek Duo.
Put the box in a box in a box.
Oh wow, it's a Natasha Denona product.
Very shiny.
It is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Oh wow, those are big pans.
To see the glory and the power that is Natasha Denona come
It
shining
is.
off of it. It is a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for on-the-go glow. MSRP $42, Boxy exclusive.
That's really cool.
Exclusive.
I'll have to do a video where
shiny.
I'm using the Cupid eyeshadow palette and this, and use this BoxyCharm.
The important thing is it's shiny.
Yeah, and I've already got my fingerprints all over it.
What are you gonna do?
But that's me. I'll have to do a video of just BoxyCharm makeup. Okay.
I do a video of just shiny things and talk about how shiny they are.
Alright, I got something from Herbivore. It's their BoxyCharm Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. I like BoxyCharm.
A naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of, wait for it, fine lines and wrinkles, and visibly fights signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most sensitive skin types, BoxyCharm supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effect.
Cool, cool, cool.
$54 MSRP at Herbivore Botanicals. Herbivore.
Okay, we got something from Mitchell and Peach.
English leaf body oil blended with almond oil and vitamin E. This decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. $68.
Body oil. This might be something neat to put on after a shower. What does it smell like? That smells like what?
Body wash.
Yeah, it smells like body wash. Just generic body wash.
Does it smell more like peach or like Mitchell?
Mitchell. Definitely Mitchell.
Mitchell and peach are the best. We went with them camping last weekend and they're just the best. Peach brought her new daiquiri recipe. How that Mitchell.
Okay, let's get some more makeup. Where's the makeup? Okay, my beauty brand X by me. Let's see.
Your beauty brand? I didn't even know you had a beauty brand.
Black liquid eyeliner.
Oh.
Okay.
Your new holy grail product. Created for both the eyeliner expert and winged eye novice. So that means it'll give you eternal life, right?
Yeah.
As long as you don't choose the wrong one. The flexible felt tip combined with highly pigmented smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look.
I don't do wings.
MSRP $20. At my beauty brand, new brand to Boxy.
Maybe I'll use this in my
Beauty
Boxy.
brand name here.
In my Boxy makeup, get ready with me and try wings. Okay. I'll leave this out. Is this makeup?
Hydrating lip balm.
I guess.
Endota. Sounds like a Jedi. Protect your palate with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients with a gorgeous glossy finish. This hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked or chapped lips and protect skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula.
Okay, it's not coming out. Okay.
It's not going to come out easy. It's so powerful. You have to want it.
I saw other people have this problem.
It's jellified. It's solidified. It's crystallized. It's going to explode out of there, isn't it?
I think so.
If you point it down. Okay, there it comes.
Here it comes.
Just chisel a bit off. That must be the calendula.
I saw other people trying to get this out, and it exploded everywhere. It smells minty.
Doesn't say anything about that in here. Is calendula minty? Is it a mint?
I don't know.
Is that thing that you hang from the ceiling? There's little lights in it.
I don't know.
That's a chandelier. Is it that branchy thing that you put all the candles in?
What are you talking
No,
about?
that's a candelabra, sorry. Calendula. Dracula's calendar. Vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips. Are your lips visibly revived?
I haven't put it on.
Oh.
I put some on my hand. It's
Is your
kind of
hand
oily.
visibly revived?
It looks like it'd be a good.
Nice. Nice. Keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious. While cooling, there you go. Cooling peppermint oil, there's your mitchiness. Provides a hint of freshness. This versatile balm can also be used to help restore moisture to cuticles in areas that regularly experience dryness. There you go. You're way ahead of the instructions. Even. $25 MSRP, new brand Boxy.
Okay. And
This must be the Dr. Brandt eye cream.
another eye cream.
An eye cream that, wait for it, smooths the appearance of
Fine lines and wrinkles.
Moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. MSRP $82.
Oh my gosh.
New launch.
You know,
It better make you go back in calendar age or something for that much.
I use 3 eye creams a day to try to go through my eye creams. I put on an eye cream before I put on my sheet mask for the day. I put on an eye cream when I'm putting on my moisturizer, and then I put it on an eye cream at night. just to try to go through all the eye creams that I have.
And I must say, you're looking gorgeous. Are you noticing effects from said multiple eye creams?
I can't tell.
Yeah. Well, you know, when they tell you to say if you can't tell, buy some more. Until you forget what your eyes originally looked like. Then that cognitive dissonance will kick in. You're like, this is amazing.
I gotta say, I really liked this box. I always take a new eye cream because I don't know.
Because you need the eye cream. You need it.
I'm always looking for a miracle.
Get it now.
I have very creasy under eyes.
If you put too much on, you might grow a third eye, so be careful.
Okay. Do you have your phone with you?
I do.
So, what I got in this month's box was the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo, which is really cute. It's got the cream blush and the powder highlight. Both are very beautiful colors. I got the Mitchell and Peach body oil, which I'm going to try after I take a shower because my skin does get dry after a shower. I've got the Endota Organics Hydrating Lip Balm, which I will put on my bedside table. I got the Dr. Brandt Eye Cream, which I'm always happy to get an eye cream. I got the My Beauty Brand by Me Liquid Black. Is it black?
It's supposed to be.
Okay. Black liquid eyeliner, which I don't have.
Is it carbon black or sable black?
What's the difference?
I don't know.
Which I don't have a liquid eyeliner. And
is it deep void black or midnight black? I'm sorry, I threw you off there.
I was thinking, what did I pick? What were my choices?
Your choice was to buy the box. There's your choice.
And then the Herbivore Bakuchiol oil. I don't remember what my choices were. I thought there was a foundation. Was that the base box? I picked a foundation. But maybe that was the base box. Let me know down below. Wasn't there a choice for foundation? But maybe that was the base box. I got my base box. It's still on the way. But I still would have liked some more makeup. But the makeup I got, I really liked. And I always love a lip balm because my lips are always so freaking dry all the time. So, how much was everything total?
That added up to a total of $291.
Oh wow, that's almost $300.
Wow, that's something.
I still like my BoxyCharms.
It's almost miraculous.
I know that a lot of people are unhappy with BoxyCharm now, and I understand why a lot of people would be upset with BoxyCharm.
But I think it's time. I think it's time that we come together and we give BoxyCharm another chance in our lives. I feel the spirit of BoxyCharm sweeping through the land. Revival, revival, oh, BoxyCharm, oh.
And I understand why you would be upset with BoxyCharm, but
You might even hate BoxyCharm.
yeah.
You might even despise them with every fiber of your being. It might feature in your nightmares, and you see them when you close your eyes. I don't know where I'm going with this.
But I get the occasional bad box, but like last month's base box, I hated it. But
She did. She ranted about it for a week straight.
let me know
All
what
she could talk about.
let me know what you're still thinking about. I'm sitting here washing my hands, and I don't know why.
We don't know, we don't know
Wiping
what's
my hands.
going on here. It's just kind of, you just take what you get.
Okay. Yeah, leave me a comment if you got the premium box. Oh, this is glass. I'm gonna break this. You don't know how many things I have broken.
Bowls.
I have broken in the bathroom.
Yeah, it's like, you really want your bath products to be in glass containers? That seems a little odd. That seems like a bad idea right there.
Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Like I said, what do you think of Boxy? Or what did you get in your premium box? I'm still happy that they're putting Natasha Denona products in there. And, yeah. Okay, we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today, don't we, Aaron? Mm-hmm. And that if you are having a not so fantastic day, that something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there.
Or sparkles your day. Like your eyes are sparkly.
Yeah, my eyes are kind of sparkly.
They are.
I dropped a color pop shadow popped out of its...
It popped.
It fell out of its... where it was supposed to be and fell on the floor.
It fell and then it popped.
It fell on the floor and crumbled all over my carpet. But, yeah, that was my morning so far.
But there's really good coverage on the carpet, and the pigmentation is awesome.
But if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And yeah, we will see you in a video tomorrow. And just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.